The power of AI in the medical industry. Imagine a world where doctors can diagnose diseases earlier, with greater accuracy, and even predict future health risks. Where treatments are customized to each person, and breakthroughs in drug discovery happen at an unprecedented pace. This is the future of healthcare, powered by artificial intelligence. AI is already transforming the medical industry in a number of ways. For example, AI-powered systems are being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect diseases like cancer at an early stage. Develop customized treatment plans for patients, based on their person's medical history and genetic makeup. Analyze large datasets of medical data to identify new drug targets and develop new treatments. Chatbots are being used to provide patients with 24/7 access to information and support. The benefits of AI in healthcare are numerous. AI can improve the accuracy of diagnoses and treatment recommendations, reduce healthcare costs by preventing unnecessary tests and procedures, make healthcare more accessible to people in remote areas, lead to the development of new and more effective treatments. The future of AI in healthcare is bright. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will improve the quality of care for patients around the world. AI is revolutionizing the medical industry, and its potential to improve the lives of patients is vast. Are you interested in data science or want to do a course? Then click on the link given in the description box. If you find this video informative, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more.